In this video, I'll show you how you can fix OBS failed to start recording, NVENC or AMD encoder error. Now what you want to do is you want to come here and search for Device Manager, open it up, and in here you want to find your display adapters, right click on your graphics card and update the driver. Just click search automatically. If it says you already have the best one, you can come back, browse my computer, let me pick from a list, and then try and choose this one and next. Obviously yours will have another name, but that's fine. Once you've done that, what you want to do is you want to Google your driver name. So I would Google this name, but you probably have another one than me. And then you want to type in software after that. That's going to lead you to the software to your GPU. And in my case, it's the NVIDIA one. So I'm just going to run NVIDIA. If you have another one, that's fine as well. Then you want to make sure you go to the drivers and you update and you take the latest driver. Once you've done that, you can close it down. And then we can just quickly check if we have a Windows update. So just search for Windows. Check if you have an update. If you have one, you can take it. Now after that, what I suggest you do is you open up your OBS, head over to File and go to Settings. Just wait for a few seconds for it to load. And once the settings is open, you want to go over to Output. In here where it says Video Encoder, what you can do is you can click on it and you can try and choose software. Now try and choose that and see if it works now. If it doesn't, you can just go back to this one. Now another thing is you can come down here to the recording. Now I'm currently recording so I cannot show you, but there's also a video encoder here where it says hardware, and you can also click on that and try and change it to software and see if that works. Press apply and OK, and then once you've done all of this, I suggest you just restart your PC and then it should hopefully work. Now I really hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and subscribe as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.